Hello, it's Foundations time again. How are you? Okay, if this is your favorite time of day, then that means we're twins, we're the same. But if this is your least favorite time of day, then let's think of ways to make it more interesting and more fun for you. Yesterday we tried doing some boxing and some stretching. Today we're going to be a little bit silly, and for our warm up, we're going to use different volumes. So here's what I mean. If I am going to do some of these sounds, like X, box, X, I'm going to go from a whisper voice to the loudest voice. So watch me. X, box, X. So the sound you're going to say as loud as you can. Okay? I'll do it when I do it the first time, and then when Baby Eka looks at you, you will repeat it, making your voice go from whisper voice to as loud as you can. Are you ready? Great. B, bat, B. D, dog, D. I, itch, eh. O, octopus, ah. Q, queen, qua. U, up, ah. All right, let's check out. Let's do the digraphs today. For the digraphs, let's do it a little bit different. Let's see if we can act like the keyword. So, WH, whistle, w. And then let's blow our whistle. CH, chin, ch. Point to your chin. SH, ship, shh. Pretend you're a boat in the rough waters so you're knocking all around. Okay, two more. TH, thumb. And don't forget, TH has that noisy sound too that goes tickles, like this and that. One more digraph that only comes at the end of words. CK, sock. K. You have a sock on? Let's see what color is my sock. I don't remember what kind of sock I wore today. Oh, it's got a snowflake on it. I think it's from the Elsa pack, the Frozen 2 characters. What kind of sock do you have? Cool. I wouldn't recommend taking your shoe off if you're in like a daycare setting. Might not go over so well. So just try to remember your shoe color. All right, great job. Now, why don't you see if you can say the trick words before I do? Are you ready? Okay. How now? Any, many. Between. Each. Some, come. Also. One more. Very. Great job on those trick words. And the last part of our warm-up today is to review some of these vowel teams. So we still have Post-its over the teams we haven't learned yet, but let's review all of the others. Here we go. AI, bait A. AY, play A. EE, jeep E. EA, EE. EY, key E. OI, coin oi. OY, boy oi. Couple more, repeat after me. OA, boat O. OE, toe O. OW, snow O. OW, plow, ow. OU, trout, ow. OU, soup, ooh. OO, school, ooh. OO, book, ugh. Great job. All right, friends, the plan for today is pretty busy. We're going to have a word of the day. Then I'm going to be teaching you something new, and we'll practice it on our Velcro boards. All right, get ready. Here comes the word of the day. It starts off with a blend that has three sounds. Then I have a vowel, and it ends with a consonant. Let's read it together. Strap. That's right. I have a strap on my shoe. You might have a Velcro strap, or on your backpack, you carry the straps. So how many taps did we have to do on this word? Five, yeah. And how many letters are in this word? Five. Five letters and five taps on that. Let's take a look and see how we would mark this word up. Well, we would have to think, what kind of syllable is it? Is the vowel closed in with another consonant? Yeah, so it's closed. And that means we put that little smile over the A called the brev because it says it's short sound. It says ah. And then the other thing we need to mark is the blend. We have three consonants in a row. S-T-R. Strap. Awesome. So we'll put this into our notebooks in a moment, but before we do that, we need a sentence. Okay, that's a verb you just said. Like you need to strap on your seatbelt. Okay. I'm going to start with an uppercase. You need to strap your seat belt. This is a long sentence. I like it. You need to strap your seatbelt on. And I didn't quite have room, so you might run out of room too, but I just went down to the next little line and then I put my period. So grab your student notebook so that we can enter strap. And you know it's a vocabulary word, so it's in the middle where it says vocabulary at the top. And what letter does strap start with? S, very good. So keep going until you find an S that doesn't have anything written there. Here's one right here. And you'll write strap and mark it up, and then you'll write our sentence. Let me hold it up for you to copy. You just need to press pause. Okay, if you're back, that means you finished writing. Let's practice scooping the sentence together. So scoop it in your notebook. We scoop to put our words together and make them sound smooth. You need to strap your seatbelt on. You need to strap your seatbelt on. Okay. And you may erase your whiteboard and then go ahead and get out your Velcro board, your tiles that look like mine. Okay. So I want to teach you something new before we start using your boards. Just leave it closed. So we know that this word says strap. But we talked about how a backpack has straps. That means we need to add the suffix ending S to show that it's plural. More than one, not just one strap, but two straps. So when we read a word that has a suffix ending, we know we read the base word first and then we read it with the suffix. That helps us. Strap, straps. You try, do it with me. Strap, straps. Good. And we know that when we mark it, we always underline or scoop the base word and then circle the suffix. Okay, let's try reading a few more words. I'm going to put my letters for straps back. Okay, and let's try this word. Okay, so first you have to find the base word. So forget this is here. Tap out this base word. Clump, clump, clumps. Then we read it all. Ooh, there's clumps in my coffee. Gross. Clump, clumps. Very nice. Okay, you want to try reading another one? What if I just take the C away? What does this say? Read it to me. Lump, lumps. Very good. What if we put an S in the beginning? Read me this one. Slump, slumps. Fantastic. Okay. And let's read a few more. Okay, we have a blend, a glued sound, and a suffix. What's the base word? Wool ink. Blink, blinks. Nice job. Okay, my friends. So if you are going to write words that have a suffix, first you need to realize that it has a suffix ending. So if I say to you, repeat after me, plants, and I say, what's the base word? You would have to know the base word is plant. So tap plant with me. P, ul, and t. And you would spell and build plant and then add that suffix ending. So go ahead on your Velcro board. I want you to spell plant. Take it sound by sound. And I do hear a glued sound in there. You can look up if you get stuck and use mine to help you. You're writing plant, building plant, plant. Once you build the base word, you should check and tap what you wrote. Make sure it says plant. Pull and plant. And then add the handy dandy suffix s. Plant, plants. Okay, let's spell it away. P, so spell it and put it back in the right spot on your board. L, A, N, T, suffix s. Let's do another word. Repeat after me. Crafts. Do you hear a suffix s? Crafts. Yeah, so what's the base word? Craft. Let's tap out craft. K, a, f, t. Spell it. Build it. Craft. Then make it say crafts. If you get stuck, you can look up at mine to check it. Always tap out what you wrote and make sure it says what you want it to say. Okay, here we go. Fix anything that you need to. C-R-A-F-T-S, crafts. Craft, crafts. Let's spell it away. And go in order to help you with the spelling order. C R A F T suffix S. Okay, my friends, let's do one more word for today. Your word is stumps. When you have trees and you cut them down, the tree stump is still there. So I'm talking about a whole bunch of stumps. What would the base word be? Stump. Let's tap out. Ooh. St, Spell it. And then go ahead and build. Go ahead and build stump, stump. And you can check yours to mine when you're ready. Take your time. Just look at mine when you want to check. All right, stump, stumps. And let's spell it away. S T U M P suffix S. All right, my friends, great job today. Please make sure your board looks neat. All your letters are lined up so that you can easily use it. And when it's done, you are done. See you next time.